quick with a treat.
Okay, large patio. Pool. Is that 6-foot chain link?
Yes.
6-foot chain link over there. Backs up to neighbor's white fence. Minor issues on the bottom. I think that's just the covering. All the screens are intact?
Yes. The one that's over there that's part open, I'll close that back up. That's doggy door.
Okay. Ooh, beautiful ponytail palms. Arekas.
That's the pool heater.
Does the pool heater work?
Yes, it did last time I used it. I don't have any propane in it. Never needed it. It
Okay.
has the solar post pool heater. That works just good.
Okay, pool pumps.